Take down your max classwork note and write today's date 29/3/21, Monday MONDAY, and month is March MERCH March, and first room letter mental sums and write one.
Students, all of you start write the mental sum. The first one, 92 plus 9. 92 plus 9, this is add sum. We should do forward counting. 92 plus 9. And the second one, 108 minus 9. This is subtract, so you should do backward counting. So 108 minus 9. 108 minus 9. And the third sum, 60 into 20. This is multiplication, so do it carefully. 60 into 20. 60 into 20. And the fourth sum, division, 700 divided by 7. 700 divided by 7. 700 divided by 7. And the fifth sum, last sum, half past 8. Another name for half past 8. Another name for half past 8. Have all finished, students?
Students, all of you check out your mental sum answer. The first one, 92 plus 9. So the answer is 101, 101, 101. And next one, 108 minus 9, 99 is the answer. And 60 into 20. And first of all, 60 into 20. And you should multiply in the full numbers. That is 6 into 12. And adding the 2 zeros. So the answer is 1200. And 700 divided by 7. Answer 100. Half past 8. Another name for half past 8. 8 half means 30, isn't it? So 8:30. Okay, students, have all finished? How many of the all got full mark? It's very good, students. Today we are going to study about multiplication of capacity. Already we finished the subtract addition, isn't it? Conversion also. And today we are going to multiply. Okay. And the first example, subtract 3 liter 370 milliliter from 4 liter 729 milliliter and multiply the answer by 5. Okay. First of all, you have to subtract. After, from the got answer, you should multiply by 5. Okay. And from means from after what number given, you should write first of all. First of all, write the unit, liter, milliliter. And first, the greatest number, that is the from after number, 729. And the next number, 3 liter, 317. Put minus symbol. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. And 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 3, 1. So, the answer, this is the answer, isn't it? From that answer, you should multiply. What we found the answer, that is what we found from the subtraction. Okay, and that answer you have to multiply by 5. And this is the answer, and you should multiply by 5. Okay, students, and 5 into 2 into 5, 10. You cut 0 and 1 circle it, and 1 into 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now circle 6. You cut. And 5 into 4, 20. You cut 0 and 2 circle it, and 1 into 5. Already having the circle number, so 7. So the answer is 7 liter Don't write. If write no means no problem, but don't write. This is 60, isn't it? This is not 600. In front of 0 means this is 60. So 60 milliliter. Have we understood? And as usual, multiply and subtract. First of all, you have to do the subtract. From that answer, you should multiply by 5. Okay, students? Next, we are going to see about story problem. That is story sums. And what are the headings under the story sums? GTS. GTSA. Isn't it? And G means given. Isn't it? Given. T to find. And solution. S for solution. And A for answer, isn't it? Okay, and read the question. First of all, at least 2 times. A bucket contains 9 liter 500 milliliter of water. A bucket contains 9 liter 500 milliliters of water. ஒரு bucketல எவ்வளவு water இருக்குது? இவ்வளவு water இருக்குது. இவ்வளவு capacity of water இருக்குது. And how much? ஒரு பக்கெட்ல இவ்வளவு வாட்டர் இருக்கு. And how much water is there in 6 such buckets? So ஒரு பக்கெட்ல இவ்வளவு வாட்டர் இருக்குது. Then என்ன क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்காங்க? 6 பக்கெட்ல எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் வாட்டர்? Okay. So in these sums which is given? Here numbers are given. That is given. Okay. And here also one number is given, and here also one number is given, isn't it? And this is what sum. How you find out this is multiply or divide or add or subtract? How you find out? How will you find out? Yes, in that given part, one keywords are there. Single, each, and these words are coming in the given part. And that is in one more another thing. So ஒன்னு கொடுத்து நிறைய கேட்டாங்கன்னா அது multiply. Here one is given and asking much more, isn't it? And ஒன்னு கொடுத்து இங்க ஒரே ஒரு பக்கெட்ல இருக்கிற அமௌண்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, capacity amount கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So asking many 6 bucket நோடைய capacity என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. That is what is that? Multiply. So this sum is multiply. Okay, you have to put in your mind and what is the meaning of it, and think of it, and which this sum is what sum you have to find out. And here, and in ordinary story problem, you should write in the given number of, isn't it? Number of all the portions you should write starting words are number of, isn't it? But here the starting word is different. That is, this is liter, no? So you should write quantity. Say all of you, quantity of 1 bucket, quantity of 1 bucket, and quantity of 6 buckets. Okay, 6 buckets. So 1 bucket amount is 9 liter 500 milliliter. And 6 bucket question mark. Okay. And to find, they asking quantity of 6 buckets. The same one. You should write the same one. I'm not having the space, so I rub that one. And here you should write the quantity. Don't write the number. This is not a number. This is quantity, isn't it? The capacity. So you should write the capacity. Otherwise, and you should write the capacity. You can write the capacity also. Capacity of 6 buckets. Okay. So the same, what you written in the to find heading, you should write the same under the solution heading. And also in the answer part. In the solution part, you should multiply separately. That is liter, milliliter, 9, 500 into 6. So you multiply and find out the answer. In that answer, you should write in the answer part. Just only one you should remind, that is, don't write the number of. This is quantity. So L and ML means you should write in the story problem quantity or capacity. Okay students, again I will tell. If it is the story problem having the liter or milliliter units, you must write the quantity and or capacity. The starting word is quantity or capacity. That only you have to remind. And other things, ordinary sums. Okay. And before you like the previous class, what you write, what you thought in the word problem. Have you understood? Friends, all of you take down your maths book and see the page number 107 and see the first word problem, that is story sums. My father has put 4 liter 500 milliliter of petrol in his bike. If he puts 4 liter 500 milliliter more, the indicator in the bike will read full. What is the capacity of full tank of the bike? Here avarkitta evlo potrukkarama? 4 liter 500 milliliter petrol potrukkaram. So if he puts 4 liter 500 of more, so அதை விட இன்னும் அதிகமாக போட்டிருந்தாருன்னா, இதே மாதிரி இன்னும் அதிகமாக போட்டிருந்தாருன்னா அந்த ஃபுல் கெப்பாசிட்டி கிடைச்சிருக்குமான்னு சொல்லி பார்க்குறாரு. வாட் இஸ் த கெப்பாசிட்டி ஆஃப் த ஃபுல் டேங்க் ஆஃப் த பைக்கு? ஸோ இதுதான், இன்னும் அதிகமாக போட்டால் தான் அந்த ஃபுல் டேங்க் நிறையும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இண்டிகேட்டர் காமிக்குதான், அந்த இண்டிகேட்டர் ஃபுல் பெட்ரோல் இண்டிகேட்டர் காமிக்கும்ல. ஸோ அந்த இண்டிகேட்டர் இதை மாதிரி இன்னொரு டபுள் மடங்கு. ஸோ 4 லிட்டர் 500 லிட்டர் இன்னும் அதிகமாக போட்டால் எவ்வளோ ஆகும்? அது அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? இன்னும் அதிகமாக போட்டால் மோர் அப்படின்னு வந்துச்சுன்னா என்னது? ஆட். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் அண்டர்லைன் மோர். திஸ் இஸ் வாட் சம் ப்ளஸ் சம். ஓகே. And the next one, my mother bought. Here one keyword is there. What is that keyword? Yes, left, isn't it? So this is minus sum. So left is there. And you should write from 6 liter and 250 milliliter above and below 5 liter 600 milliliter. Okay. Okay students. And you must write the starting word of the each heading capacity. Don't forget in liter and milliliter capacity. Okay. And the third sum, a bucket. And already I taught in that previous one. And the next one, a container had. So idhula oru keyword is there. Here also one keyword is there, that is left, isn't it? So this sum is also minus. And here one keyword is there. You listen, read 2 times and find out. Yes, in that given, 1 is there, isn't it? 1 is there. So 1 means, given part having 1 means it is multiply sum. It is 1 in the 2 find part, it is divide, isn't it? Already we studied. And here, and filled 7 by in a bucket. Here 1 is given, asking more, 4 such buckets. So this is also multiply. Okay students? Students, all of you take down your maths class note and write second Roman letter multiplication of capacity. And here the sum is multiply the sum of 2 liter 213 milliliter and 3 liter 251 milliliter by 2. And first of all, you have to sum of means add, isn't it? Sum of means add. What is the meaning of sum of? Add. So first of all, you have to do the add. Finish the add. After that, we found the answer. By the answer, you should multiply by 2. Okay. And 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. So this is the answer of sum of, isn't it? After that, after you got the answer of sum of, you should multiply by 2. So 5 liter 464 milliliter. Here you should write the liter and milliliter. After that put the line, and this is multiplied by 2, isn't it? 2. And 4 2s are 8. Don't circle, cut down. And 6 2s are 12. You cut 2, 1 circle, 2, 1 is circled. And 4 2s are 8, and before circle number is there, so add with it 9. And 5 2s are 10. So this is the answer. You should write in the answer part with the unit also. 10 liter, 928 milliliter. Okay students, first of all you should finish the add, because the sum is given, the sum of, isn't it? So you should do the add. After that find out the answer. You should multiply by 2. Okay. And the next one, the third Roman letter, story sums up. If 4 liter 750 milliliter juice is packed in 1 can, already again, if 4 liter 750 milliliter juice is packed in 1 can, then find the quantity of juice that can be packed in 8 such cans. Here 1 can, ஒரு canல இவ்வளோ லிட்டர் milliliter juice packed ஆகுதான். And அதே மாதிரியான amount, இதே மாதிரியான capacity இருக்கிற 8 such canக்கு எவ்வளோ ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. சரியா? ஸோ அப்போ இது என்னது, 1 கொடுத்து more கேட்டிருக்காங்க. 1 is given and asking more. So 1 is given means first of all you should underline, circle 1. This is the keyword, isn't it? And number 4 liter is 750 milliliter, and also 8 such can also you should underline, and you should use with scale. Okay. And the first heading, so what are the headings under the story terms? G, T, S, A. So G for given. In that given, what will you write? Yes, if it is L, liter or milliliter, means you should write the starting word is quantity. So quantity or capacity. You may change the capacity also. Quantity of juice in 1 can. Okay, quantity of juice in 1 can, 4 liter, 750 milliliter. And the next heading, to find. In that to find, you should write what you given in the question. So quantity of juice in 6 cans, isn't it? This is question mark. And the next heading, solution. In the solution part also, what you written in the to find part, the same statement, quantity of juice in 6 cans. And you write here, and here only you should do multiply, do the sum, and do the find out the answer. And here you should put the draw the line also, and 0 plus 6, 0. And 5 plus 6, 5 into 6, 30. You cut 0. And 3 circle it. 7 into 6, 42. And above circle number is there. So 45. In that 45, cut 5. And circle the 4. And last 4 into 6, 24. And here one circle number is there. With that circle number, add it. So we got the 28. So 28 is in the liter part, isn't it? So the answer is 28 liter 500 milliliter. Okay students, this is the last heading answer part. And just only one thing you should remind, the starting word of the statement, quantity. Why you written the quantity? Because it is capacity, it is quantity, L and milliliter, given the number of liter and milliliter, isn't it? So that you should write the quantity, or capacity also you may write. Okay students? Okay. And this is your today's assignment work. First Roman letter and second Roman letter only one sum, and third Roman letter also only one sum. Okay students, and write very neatly, and in between you should put the line with scale. Okay. And also all of you take down your max book and turn the page number 106, 106, 106. In that page you should finish the exercise number 10 and 11, 12. In the 11 and 12 you should find out the answer in separate note and write the answer only you should write here. And story sums you should write here only. Okay, and page number 107. And you should finish today's assignment 106, 107 and also 108, two sums. 109 also you should finish. Okay, 109 also finished. Okay, thank you for watching.